Hi, I'm Matt Atwood. I'm the owner and sole director of Applied Constructions. Currently our head office is here in Bay Street, Port Melbourne. We also do have offices in Sydney and Brisbane. We have always been in Melbourne, grew up in Melbourne. Port Melbourne's got a good life about it and a good vibe about it. For our staff, it's easy to access. Also for our clients that need to come to our office, it's ready available for them. Applied actually started as a fit-out company. Originally it was just myself and a small team of carpenters and contractors. We're a full-time team of about 15. We've got a small team of site managers, we've got 2 project managers, and our pre-construction team is well established now. So essentially, Applied, we are a company that have moulded ourselves around catering for commercial businesses. So from design, fit out to construction, even civil works, maintenance works. We are the turnkey solution for any commercial company. We do end to end. One of our most recent projects we've just completed is in Laverton North in Melbourne, which is a truck wash bay for a food logistics company.
This is it. This is the 4-lane truck wash we did for Booth Transport. Steel portal structure, bond deck cladding, bond deck roof, board piers. This is the plant room, this is the CIP system, stores the hot water and caustic. This is the staff office and toilet block area, one of the toilets, the lunchroom and the office. This floor is a 200mm thick fibre slab. This is where the trucks will be coming in to get washed on the inside and the outside.
We do have an ongoing relationship with Booth. We've worked with them on several projects the last couple of years. We want a long-term relationship with our customers. We want you to come back the next time and the next time. That's our goal, to have an ongoing relationship so that if they have a problem or they're upgrading, they're expanding, they have a need, that we're there for them. The first project we did with Booth was their head office in Laverton. So we did a refit there. Then they went on to the outdoor lunch barbecue area. And then they sent us up to Sydney to strip out and refurbish their Sydney office. We've even begun on another project of theirs in Rockhampton, Queensland. That project's a bigger project again. It's a 70,000 square metre greenfield site. That's going to be a warehouse and wash bay facility. So because they're a food transport company, hygiene is a priority.
Lots of different products come through their trucks. They wash anything from orange juice to egg white, wine, all sorts of food products, even chocolate.
One of our challenges in this project was to actually design the tradeway system. The engineers had to understand what the client's needs are, and we had to understand what the client's needs are. Booth came to us with a design brief and some preliminary drawings. We took those drawings on and thoroughly checked them, and we spent quite a while going through any potential issues that could come up. The challenge was to design a system that could take the trade waste to the tanks.
This is the drainage system to wash the external part of the truck. This is a much better solution for carrying the silt and dry sand away. All the water will then go to the treatment system on the outside of the building. This is where the trade waste initially comes to. This is a surge tank. And around the surge tank we've created a bunded area to stop it from overflowing and going into the stormwater.
There are little problems that happen. We had to change the design to allow the trucks to turn out into the driveway without any potential risk. Communication is the key. You know, if there's a problem, you hand up, get to the bottom of it, get it fixed and move on. And that's how we've grown to how we are today. We wouldn't have a business today if we weren't looking after our customers. We do have weekly meetings with their clients to make sure that they're happy with their progress, and if there's anything they can flag with their project managers. So if something is not right, even something that needs a change. And flexibility is a big part of what we try to provide. And the communication between the client and the builder is very important. Spending the time to actually walk through on a daily basis of what's happening in the building and working with the architectural team, our engineering team and with our client to make sure that there's no design issues. The reason why our clients keep coming back to us is because we're open and honest and we have that track record and we deliver our projects on time and on budget. So if you're looking for a commercial builder, or you've got a commercial facility that needs some modification or extension or fit out work, we'd definitely love to help and come on board and we build that relationship together. Come down to Bay Street here, have a coffee, have a chat and go over what your needs are. Look forward to seeing you here and speaking to you about your project.